Akala ko, simpleng family trip lang ito. Hindi pala. This is my life, and this is one of our adventures. Game. Unli-rice din kaya yan? Around 50. So, dito na kami malapit sa Airbnb. Nagpaplano kasi kami ng iso-surprise namin si Kuya kasi birthday niya na mamaya. Bibili muna kami ng cake, hanap muna kami ng cake. Hindi na pindot. Dan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Picture muna. Anong wish mo?
Sarap-sarap tulog ko eh.
Huwag ka nang pangit na cellphone ni ate. Sige na. Express music yan eh. Pero muna na, cellphone mo na lang gagamit. Sabi ko na dali. Okay na, basta na pati. What's up guys? Good morning. Mamadali tayo ngayon kasi hahabulin natin yung 8:30 na train, bullet train. Kasi kapag di namin nahabol yung 8:30 na bullet train, ang next namin is 1 PM. So, kapag di namin nahabol to, baka di na kami tumuloy. Pagod na, pawis. Success guys, success. Almost 1 hour walk. Morning pa lang, pagsubok na. So guys, dito na. Ay! Ang unang tapak sa snow. Uy, lupit!
Feeling wild and free. Pack our bags, hit the road. Every step a story to be told. Hear the river, feel the breeze. Simple moments, memories. Life until we're out of breath. Chasing days we won't forget. Simple moments, they show the brightest. Little sparks in an ordinary day. Polaroids in our minds, we're smiling. Big stuff fades with ease. Simple moments. Simple
Bawi.
windows down that crooked side.
Hold this. Action.
Detour down a road unlined.
Okay, there you go.
Singing wrong words to our song. Missing exits just to drive along.
Kiss.
Hear the river,
Tayo sa lesson.
breeze. Simple moments, memories. Golden till we're chasing days we won't forget. Simple moments, they shine the brightest. Little sparks in an ordinary day. Polaroids in our minds, we're smiling. All the big stuff fades, but these remain.
Pinagulo. Ayos to. Uy. Ito. Uy, may videographer. Matagal pala yun. Umiikot. Titikman natin ngayon kung masarap ba yung mga wagyu dito sa Japan. A5 Wagyu beef. Sarap. Ngayon kasi medyo pagod na kami dun sa yesterday's activity. Pahinga muna ng konti. So ang plano namin, shopping lang, ikot lang. So pupunta natin yung mga outlets dito sa Japan. Sa aming pag-iikot, naisip kong matagal na din niya gusto magkaroon ng sariling camera. So sabi ko, baka ito na yung perfect time.
1, 2, 3. Surprise!
Surprise! What's that? Open. Oh, what is that?
A camera.
A camera. Alright. Just re-record mo yung mga memories. It's like a cell phone camera.
I got a new camera.
Let's go inside.
We used to chase the last train home, laughing like the night was ours. Streetlights turning into stars in a town that felt so small. If I close my eyes, you're still right here, calling out my name through the wind. Somehow it hurts, somehow it heals. How the past can pull me in. Under postcard skies, I'm holding on to the days we never knew would end. Even if the seasons move along, I'll find you in the song again. No matter how far, no matter how long, these memories don't fade, my friend. Under postcard skies, I'm holding on, and I'll meet you where we began.
Yung kaya sila sabi ni Kubs, masarap daw yan.
Ay, hindi, curry na mo ngayon.
Curly popcorn. Try kaya natin. 2 hours lang naman daw eh. Yung pila. Paano yung kanta nito, Kyrie?
Ha?
Ano yung kanta?
I don't know.
I remember the day. Ay, ba yun?
Ang layo.
As soon as
The heart stops. Di ba yun natin? Ay, parang si Aladdin pala to.
Who's that?
Who's that? Di mo pala napapanood yun. Ay, hindi napanood na natin yun. Remember? Yung may genie. Yung color blue na genie.
Oh yeah, yung 3 wish.
Oh, alam niyo na yung 3 wishes. Remember?
Dito,
Ibang fireworks ako.
tinan mo yung carving. There, oh. Tinan mo yung carving sa ano.
Ay, oo nga. Si Rapunzel yun?
Dito si Anna Elsa yan.
Siya ba yun? Hindi, yung nasa kanan. Yung nasa kanan. Si Elsa yung nasa kaliwa eh, o magkapatid sila. What? Sila.
Ayoko kasama si Panot. Kilalang lang niya sa Disney ni Lion King.
Wow! Si ano to eh, si Sara Patatas. Di ba si Sara Patatas yan? Hola! Ito si Rapunzel.
Ay, ito pala si Pascal.
Wow! Ayun yung ganda oh, no, no? Ayun yung Wawa eh. Yung dalawang bundok, tapos nakati sa gitna. Ito yung Wawa Dam. Yung ang ganda ng bundok ko. Ma'am, ang ganda ng bundok yung sa Wawa.
Naghiwalay din mo.
Ano plano guys?
Ay, yung fork ko?
Kahit anong plano kasi hindi na vlog eh. Uy, sarap niya na. Ang haba ng pila dyan ah. Ang ganda oh. Nakasilip. Hindi ko makita. Ang ganda nung sarapan cellphone. Sumisilip siya sa labas. Ang lupit eh. Parang okat-okat eh. Ayun oh, Mount Mayon. Mount Mayon. Wow. Ganda oh. Kaya lang close sila.
Sira daw.
Ah, sira?
I know, you have
Nasira.
to do something with it.
Nasira yung rep. Isa pa naman to sa mga favorite kong Disney. Princess.
He's gonna make a magic.
Papakitaan ko lang si Osi ng magic.
Oh, hindi ka naman. Umangkit lang ganito.
Ha? Hindi
Parang kita. Tingnan ko. Hindi naman yung flying.
See that guys? Nag-fly tayo magic. Unfortunately, hindi matutuloy yung fireworks due to weather conditions kasi windy. Sobrang lakas kasi nung hangin. Pero very entertaining naman yung parang parade nila. Parade of Stars yata yung tawag dun eh. Solved na kami doon. Thank you Disney Sea.